Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petracca with your ski report. We were recording this as of Friday evening at around 9 o'clock. We have a storm on the way for New England, specifically Sunday and on into Monday. So let's start things off now. We're going to take you into the weekend. Of course, the gray represents the cloud cover, and the green is your precipitation, which is generally rain. And here we are Saturday afternoon. It's really a quiet day, some clouds on the increase, but no precipitation. As we jump ahead now to Sunday afternoon, and you can clearly see this surge of rain, all of this green and yellow, that's all rain, all the way up to the Canadian border. Some of this rain may be heavy at times on Sunday afternoon. Not a great ski day, poor visibility, and some heavy rain. But watch what happens by Sunday night. We start to see, at least in upstate New York, the transition over to snow. The blue represents snow. The darker the blue, the heavier the snow. Still raining. New Hampshire, Vermont, and Maine as of 9 o'clock on Sunday. As we get into Monday morning, we see the transition to snow in upstate New York, Vermont, and getting ready to switch over to all snow in New Hampshire and Maine as well by Monday afternoon. So it's a system that starts as rain and then goes over to snow late Sunday night and on into Monday. Snowfall forecast with this system by Monday afternoon. And you can see quite a bit in the Adirondacks and the Green Mountains in Vermont. I feel as though this may be underdone here. More than likely, the Mount Washington Valley and up towards Rangeley, Maine, which is right in here, you're probably going to end up getting more snow than what's being depicted here. So despite your heavy rain on Sunday night, you'll get a net gain of some snow up in the Mount Washington Valley and out towards Rangeley, Maine. Certainly no snow towards Worcester and into southern New England. The rainfall forecast, and we can take this, again, this is a storm system that starts as rain, and you can see quite a bit of it. Here we are Sunday night, midnight, and then take you into Monday morning with a strip of I said Monday afternoon actually, with a strip of very heavy rain from southern New England, really up and down the 95 corridor. Of course, this is the rainfall before it changes to snow. Let's take a look at temperatures. I'm going to take you into Saturday. It's fairly comfortable. It's not bitterly cold by any means. This is 3 o'clock Saturday afternoon. You can see the surge of warmer weather on Sunday, and this is quite simply, this is the reason why we're getting rain all the way up to the Canadian border on Sunday afternoon. Look how unseasonably warm it is here in southern New England. And then as that system pulls away, well, look at this. You can clearly see where the cold front is on Monday morning, right in here. The temperatures will start to cool down Monday morning, Monday afternoon in northern New England. And this is why we'll start to see a transition over to some snow on Monday. Wind, certainly a factor, not so much the next couple of days. I mean, we jump ahead to, this is Saturday afternoon. Wind's not really a factor here. We move ahead now to Sunday, or at least Sunday afternoon. The wind's picking up, but now these are gusts. These are not sustained winds. Not too much of a factor, but boy, really ramping up. With the approach of this strong cold front, some damaging wind in southern New England and up and down the I-95 corridor. It's when the cold front swings through on Monday where the winds really start to be a big factor by Monday afternoon. These high elevations in these flecks of purple indicating the wind's gusting 40, 50, maybe even 60 miles per hour and some of the higher summits. So it's quite possible by Monday, some of the higher summits in northern New England, there might be some chairlift restrictions due to some of these pretty strong winds on the back side of this system. So bottom line, Saturday's a decent day. We start as a rainstorm on Sunday, which transitions over to snow and wind by Monday morning and Monday afternoon. Again, that's northern New England, and in southern New England, getting no snow out of this one, as a better part of the storm will be too warm, and by the time the cold air moves into southern New England, most of the moisture will be gone.